adding parts and services in bulk using our Excel import template. From any page of your MobiWork account, choose Management, and then choose Parts. On the Parts Catalog page, click the More Actions button in the top right corner and choose Export to Excel. Depending on your browser settings, a download window may appear. Save the spreadsheet, and once it's been downloaded, open it. First, clear out the sample data listed in the import template. Then, following the guidelines outlined in red in row 6, add your parts and services. As stated on the import template, headers marked with an asterisk are required. When you are finished making changes, save the spreadsheet and return to the MobiWork Parts Catalog. From here, click the More Actions button and choose Import from Excel. Using the Choose File button, find your spreadsheet, attach it, and click Import. Review the list of parts and services recognized by MobiWork. If everything looks good, click Submit to bring in your list of parts and services. Remember, please only click the Submit button one time. Clicking more than once may result in duplicate entries. You should now see a Confirm Results page showing you the results of your import. You'll see an overall recap of the import at the top, showing how many parts and services were created, skipped, or updated, along with a breakdown of each entry's results on the bottom. If only some of your imported records are shown, use the page navigation buttons on the lower right of the records to move to other pages or records. When finished, click Done.